Hello guys, today I will show you how to add watermark on your YouTube videos. You have seen many YouTubers use watermark on their video corner. You can also add your own watermark. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
To add watermark, go to your channel icon and click on YouTube settings. Now, in your account portion and click on View Additional Features. Now, on Channel portion, click on Branding. Click on Add Watermark. Now click on Choose File. Note, use photos with transparent background. After uploading complete, click on Save. Now let's check it out. Go to your any video and click it. You can see the watermark is present in the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.